Just get wise, Dad.
Okay.
$10 wise.
Alright.
Please insert payment now.
Softgloss access to
Please wait while your
phone bike.
transaction
Softgloss
is
access.
processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the line.
There's a crack damage on the left side. And the right side too. Well, there's no buzzer at the moment.
Nope.
Everything removed. Triple phone. Now it comes to brush cycle. Got some soap on the back. No walker panel. That's just rinsing. The CMD sandwich is rinsing. Add spray on the back. Now it's just clear cut protectant. No wax there, finally. There's no wax there. Yeah, just water, Dan.
Free rinse.
Spot free rinse finally. Just the basic option. The top brush. Top brush needs to stop spinning.
Mm-hmm.
Look, there's a water too. No wax on it. There's no soap, Dan.
Nope. Got all the soap.
Got off the soap.
Time to dry.
But no wax on it. That brush just needs to be replaced. That brush needs to be replaced, Dan. This side brush just needs to be replaced. It needs to, front brush needs to replace. Look at this. They're multicolor for yellow, red, and blue. Now it comes to onboard dryer stand. Onboard dryer. It's a single pass wash. Softgloss XS2. This Softgloss XS2, I don't know the date installed. Let's look at, see? Let's looking for the date. And I can't see the date of the installation date. See, I can't see it. Unfortunately, I can't see this date, installation date on it. Sorry, I can't see this. No soap, just drying. The water can dries off. It's drying all the way back. Then it comes back forward. This Softgloss XS2, there's no wax man. There's no wax. No wax on it. Yeah, they need to replace with a new brush colors. This brush needs to replace. But this brush can fall off. This colors looks fine. Yeah, it's a Softgloss XS2. There are no wheel scrubbers on the bottom of the gantry. And the dates, I don't know what installed of a date yet. It's too faded. Yep, there's a date of it. It's too faded. Yeah, it's too faded. I don't know what installed. Softgloss XS2. Installed it.
No idea.
I just looked up. No idea. This Softgloss XS2 probably installed in 2004. Softgloss XS2 just installed in 2004. Yeah, a long time ago. It's 10 years. It's 20 years from now. It's 15 years Softgloss XS2. This is ryko. Nope, the go light's on.